Hunan Jinlong New Material Technology Company Limited is located in West Dongting Management, Changde City, Hunan Province. We have our own research and development center providing comprehensive technical support. We are specialized in the research, production, and sales of hot melt adhesive, hot melt powder, release film, lettering film, and other new materials manufacturing enterprises. The company's capital is 30 million yuan, covers 20,000 square meters, has 3 German automatic grinding lines, 3 4-head coating lines, and other international advanced equipment. The products produced are in line with European N71, RoHS, and American ASTM environmental protection standards. Our products exported to North America, Southeast Asia, and other countries. We providing quality products, excellent service, competitive prices, and prompt delivery. The company's spirit is customer first, quality first, steady management style, hard work, continuous innovation, and dedication to provide our customers with the most professional services. We're willing to join hands with friends at home and abroad for a win-win situation and prosperity. Jinlong is your reliable choice with primary quality. We have 3 years' experiences in manufacturing heat transfer materials. We have 2 main categories of products, DTF print film and DTF hot melt adhesive powder. Our products have better flexibility, elasticity, and greater adhesive strength, make the hot stamping images clearer and more colorful. Also, we can provide customized product solutions to customers.